This is a product that we're going to use to seal and fill and color the seam in a hardwood floor, also laminate floors. Any floor that has seams, this product works very well on. What we'll do is just take the product and we'll run a bead of material along the seam. We'll do half and then do the other half. I'm just going to run my finger down through there, and this is going to force the material down in the seam. And then we simply just clean off the excess material. This is available in several different colors. And that should fill the seam.